Okay, some more examples to help you here. Again, we're still going on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So 2 sine of 2t plus 1 equals 0. So this one's different because we have more than just the variable that we're taking the sine of. So again, I'm going to subtract 1 and then divide by 2. So I get sine of 2t equals negative 1/2. So there are a couple different ways to think about this. Remember, you're taking the sine inverse of both sides. So what's really going on? 2t is equal to the sine inverse of negative 1/2. So again, you can do this a couple different ways, but which angles give you the sine inverse of negative 1/2? Hopefully you're thinking. You're going to think you're in quadrants 3 and 4. So you're going to tell me 7 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, 19 pi over 6, and I'll explain these in 1 minute, and 23 pi over 6. Now, why did I do that? You're like, that's more than 2 pi. Well, remember, if t has to be between, I technically shouldn't have it there, if t has to be between 0 and 2 pi, then what does 2t have to be between? 4 pi and 0. So that's why I upped it up to 23 pi over 6. So now I have to divide all of these by 2 to solve for t. So that's going to be 7 pi over 12, 11 pi over 12, 19 pi over 12, and 23 pi over 12. But remember, we want it from 0 to 2 pi. These are not from 0 to 2 pi. So those are our answers.